Hi everyone, Amber Canoy here with Everyday Kentucky Visiting Perspectives once again with Jason Taylor. Okay, so sometimes we just need to give our front door just a little bit of a makeover, make it pop.
Give it a little love.
Yeah, you've got some great opportunities.
Well, we've got a special line of paint that's called front door paint, made specially for front doors. It's made to last longer, it's made to hold up better as far as the colors, particularly yellows and reds like this. You see red doors all the time, they're fading out and turning pink. Well, this paint is designed not to do that. We've got a good line of colors here that you can choose as a accent for your front door, and it'll go with your other colors, and that's the whole idea. We want something that's going to coordinate with it.
Any special brushes, tips?
Not really. It's like painting anything. You want to make sure it's clean, dry, and dull. And other than that, use a good brush, use good tools. Don't use a cheap brush on something like this.
All right, stop by and see them.